welcome to our January unboxing. Can you believe it's 2021? I can't either. So we are going to unbox our January box. So this box, the theme is Stationery Box, just what we need to get ourselves planned out, to get our goals set for 2021. So let's dive in. Of course, Happy New Year. A little sneak peek for what's happening in your February box. So make sure you take advantage of reading these. This month, we put some inspirational quotes for you. And what to gift to your team. So workspacepark, even though we offer a subscription, we also offer gifting services. So if you want to gift this to a coworker who's at home working, or you want to just send her a box full of joy, make sure you do that. Pass it on to your bosses. And our wonderful team. So you get to see us in our beautiful faces. Now let's dive into the box. So this month's box is a stationery box. So we have our Junior Planner. Mine's at the bottom of my box, so let me get it out. All right, so if you know anything about Tul, Tul is probably one of the best planners on the market. I was so excited to get this product. I actually, if I can be honest, was not really a reusable planner girl. I would get a new planner every year, but being introduced to this type of planner is so much easier. If you see they have these discs, you can easily take out a page and insert a page. So, great planner for this year. We had assorted colors. I got the black one. Next, what's a reusable planner without your insert? So the fact that you can customize it, I think is awesome. So you can put in some of the months, you can just put in the quarters. This one has additional things like your to-do list, emails that you need to send. So for me, I am super excited to start using this. Next, you gotta have highlighters, right? So, what's a planner without some highlighters? I use my highlighters in my books. I use them in things that I'm working on. So these will get great use. Also, so I am going to show you what's in our men's box and our females boxes, right? So in our ladies boxes, we do have some decals that you can put on your planner. Very cool. Another one here. So this one comes in gold, make every day count. So I'll be putting this gold one on my black planner. But you can put these on a lot of different things. Very easy to add to your planners or to things that you want to cling on. And last but not least for the ladies, this is probably my favorite item in the box this month, is our pencils. When in doubt, dance it out. Several of us have been dealing with a lot this year. And so we thought that this box set will give you some joy and some sunshine. When you open it up, you have some great quality pencils. So I'm a pencil girl, so I'm a little biased about this product, but it's my definitely favorite in the box this month. And they say, when in doubt, dance it out. Love, love, love. Now for the men, we did not forget about you. They have a nice pencil case as well with pencils inside. And scissors. So everyone needs a nice set of scissors. These for the men are titanium scissors, so we know they are going to love them. All right, so that's it for this January box. I am so excited. I love to hear what your favorite items are. Again, my favorite item is that when in doubt, dance it out pencil set, but of course, also the planner. I cannot wait to throw my inserts in the planner and maybe get a few other inserts so I can customize the planner the way I like. Anyways, thank you so much. Can't wait to see you next month. Sneak peek, February is gonna be amazing. Go ahead and get ready. Bye.